Lord, I feel good afraid. Oh Lord, I feel good afraid. Oh, in my belly. Freedom! 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 Welcome, people. Thanks for about to the Patwa News Network. Big up on yourself, you don't know. People, I don't know what to do with myself. I don't know what I'm for bad. What I'm for rejoice. People, I don't know what to do with myself. Cause 2 years now, people. Over 2 years. We're under lockdown, right? All them curfew thing, a mask, right? I COVID and I'm way out. But today, the 18th of March, Andrew finally free up the country. The country get free up, people. We fully get free up, you know, I don't know what to do with myself. I don't know what to do with myself, people. I'm happy. I'm happy, but I don't know how to feel. It's like I'm full of emotions taking me over. Yeah, people, sorry about that. We know something that weird pan pain, you know. We now wait pan pain if you come telling you what go on and what is going on in the country right now. And people, we are so glad to say that the country free up here now. Fully free up here now, people.
We out here, we not going.
I will telling you from the last time we giving you the news, you know. Say Andrew just wait, you know. For the leg of the country, you know. Yeah, man, and let it go fully, you know. So right now, people, Jamaica no curfew. No more DRMA and them thing there. No more of them thing there, people. Everything lift up right now. The restriction them lift up. Fully free up right now, people. But as I said, I don't know what to do with myself. I don't know what to do with myself. But you don't know, so we have to look on things a different way already. Because we're on a regular news network, you know, people. So we don't look on anything one-sided. So we don't know what Jamaicans stay already. When people tell you one thing, we tend to hear something else. And when we give you an inch, we take a mile. So what we're going to do? We're going to make you know what Andrew say. But we're going to make you know what most of Jamaica hear. Watch out now. So Andrew say, as of March 18, 2022, all of the DRMA and restrictions and everything they're lifted. But it's our Jamaica here. Yeah, but you know, the government say COVID don't exist no more. No, but make sense out of nonsense. If the government say the place free up and all, that means that COVID don't exist no more. You idiot? We free, we don't know what to worry about. Hey, you see all my yard? My yard now see me again. Live where? Live, you hear them lift up the curfew, you know? My yard now see me again. I straight, me live a road. Me say me live a road. Next thing I'm saying now for the entertainment part of things, him said that man need to lift up too. Entertainment open up back here now, but him say until the 15th at 70% of the capacity of the place. But it's how we here. You buy the NC them? Brother, I don't know about the restriction. I don't know what you hear, but me hear them say party and entertainment fully free up here now. So make sure you buy the NC them Mayuka. We not have party till we reach 140. What you deal with? Yeah, man, I say it, come on. You know, Jamaicans stay already, you know. Our story always extra avant things we never say pan it, you know. And you give you an inch and we take a mile now. I'm telling you something. You see that mask, yeah? It's going to keep where Chicken Mary then here. So not because everything look like everything wonderful and thing right, you know. Taking the precaution same way. Because I don't know if you don't know. But COVID not gone away yet, you know. COVID don't gone away yet. So we still are going to roll with the mask because I don't know, say, you know. As of today, you know. You see, especially on Saturday, on the road. I worries on the road Saturday. You're not going to see the road chuck up Saturday. Watch out. Look, no one. Look on see the road I got chuck up Saturday. But you see, as for we and for us, we shall wear a mask. And we shall continue to social distance. Because COVID not gone away. I want to want it up under people. I hope say, Jamaica, look at me good. I hope say, when you go to the supermarket and all about the place, you still stop itch up under people arm and them things, man. Give people them space, see me, man. Like a social distance something, yeah? It didn't make sense, you know. Because people have itch up under people arm too much, man. Like say you and them, how I do that? Are you cologne? But yeah, people that are going to the country right now, everything live up and lively up there now. The streets are back again. Streets are back again. But anyway, we're going to one commercial break. We're so far back. So right now, me sick in my head. You don't know, so you go, my zone. I represent for the big all-inclusive event on the 19th of March, you know. You don't know, so the event name Lego the Bird, the event name Curfew, the event name Where Will We Go, the event name Unmask, you see me? The event name Bonner Curfew, the event name Lego Me Nose, the event name Me Out a Door. You don't know the event name We Outside and when I go in. The event name Curfew Where, the event name Fully Sanitized. Don't know the event name Burn Out COVID. And I know you go already in a mixing all night by DJ Pandemic, you know. So we say, bring your queen and lower your machine. And long time we tell us we burn out a live stream. Cause you don't know say I grab a zone. And we outside. Next thing for the news right now, people. So I know the leader of the opposition, Mr. Mark Golding, make a statement in a parliament where they make a whole heap of sense to people and paying have to jump on it. Because we personally impacted and affected by what I'm saying. You know the little $50 them have for custom duty people? Yeah, man, you know that $50 man, if you bring in not over $50, them charge you a duty and a taxes on it. Well, Mr. Golding say the money too small, it too low, and a true. We're supposed to know people. People who ship regular, and if you even do ship regular, you know say if you think go over by $1, customs are charge a duty and a taxes on it. So I beg the government, we don't want to really take talk from the opposition too much. If I ever want bills or want bills 50, we work with it, you know. We still have $50 something there. No, man. Majority of things on Amazon and eBay and all over the place where people buy clothes and them things there. By the time I add two things together, $50. $50 that. And I know say some people out there choppy line. But we're not a choppy line government. So I beg you know. Just give me the bills or the bills 50. More like your bills 50 we are leaning towards. But we are begging to look on it, man. Look on it and work it out for you, man. The people them want help. Help the people them, man. Yeah, man, people, but I news that, you know, I eat that for the news, man. We don't no more for you, but don't make you know, say, yo, big up on yourself. Thanks for the likes, the shares, the subscription, the comment, them and them thing. We appreciate love it, people. A Patwanewsnetwork, network, you know. Baddest news network on the planet, you know. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know.